we're handing out 1,000 luggage tags, and we're just passing those out as an awareness piece of what we're doing and also to honor veterans.
Has anyone ever heard of a program called Repurpose with a Purpose? This is a program started in 2013 by Southwest Airlines.
And through this initiative, we partner with like-minded organizations to upcycle, downcycle, and recycle thousands of pounds of discarded materials. Southwest Airlines has been working with Help Heal Veterans since 2018.
Help Heal Veterans is a veteran service organization that helps veterans with PTSD, traumatic brain injury, and other ailments. We do that through therapeutic art and crafts.
If we have any crafty folks in the Gate area who would like a little friendly crafting contest, we're looking for 2 folks.
Get your knots ready. Since 2018, we have donated 300,000 pounds of Southwest seat covers to Help Heal Vets to make the therapeutic art kits.
When we take a Southwest Airlines seat and we will strip it down and we'll make it into a therapy kit. Those therapy kits have therapeutic instructions that are step by step, and they help your brain. They help your brain go in an order, and with the PTSD, it's a way for you to turn your brain off.
100,000 of those kits have been made with our leather and sent out to veterans all over the country.
So when we get materials from partners like Southwest, it's invaluable.